Got the injection pump. I think I took it off in the last video. Want to clean it up. Got all the lines taped off, the inlet, injector lines, and the return. I'm gonna try to clean this thing up a little bit so we can get a little bit of paint on it, make it look a little better. Might wind up taking that off. See which way this thing goes. Oh yeah, there we go. Take this in here. Let's see, got some cleaner. Load this up, let it sit a few minutes. I think that'll work. Came down here yesterday, a few minutes, rolled all these things over. Got me another coat of paint on them. I think need a little bit more on that one, or not. That's going to get worn off with the belts anyway. That's going to sit on top of that. Everything's shaping up, looking pretty good. As with usual, I started something. Now I kind of got to finish it. When I want to take the motor mount posts off both sides, get them cleaned up. I actually came in here and started cleaning up on the frame rail a little bit, which is probably a mistake. Now I want to do the rest of it. I'm gonna need to take these two fuel lines off. Get this motor mount, and need to clean these up too. I'm gonna see if I can get them off right quick. I say right quick. And clean them up, get the motor mounts off, clean them up. First time I've been in here working wearing the camera on my head. We'll see how that works. Keep these little brackets together. Now there's another one back up in there. From here it looks a little bigger, so I'm gonna take some sockets with me. Looks like the same size from down here. Woo, good one. Much better under here since I cleaned it off. Still needs a little work, but it sure is much better than it was. Leaking a little fuel there, of course. Many years I soaked in that stuff, diesel fuel. Yeah. A little bit closer. All these are vent lines. There's actually a control in the cab. If you're going underwater, you're supposed to turn it on and off. Keep water from getting into stuff. And those things go to everything. Yeah, it's gonna be larger than that. Yep. I don't know if this little one's gonna, if it's done or not. Well, that part's turning. See if we can get to the other. Put all these together. Let them soak a little while, clean those up. About all that thing wants. What do I do with my wrench? Somebody tell me what I do with my wrench. Huh. Well, it did it. Uno mas. If I can get the, there we go. Get this side on there. Just thought I'd do a little something while the injection pump's back there soaking. Uh-oh. Yep, got another one right there. Is that gonna go? Well. Huh. Goes up in there. Well, that's fun. I don't know if this thing's gonna fit up in there or not. No, oops, got the light shining in my face, can't see what I'm doing. And I kicked it over, that sure didn't help much, did it? There's a third bolt in that thing. Goes back up in there behind the body mount. Can't hardly even see it to get to it. I think we can get it though. Get everything in the same spot. It'll be fun when we get back in on it. I'll take some of this stuff off. I'm gonna wind up pulling this thing back outside and cleaning it some more. Oh, there it is. Where did it go? Two pieces. Didn't know that. Fuel pump's been soaking for a little while. I'm gonna wash it off and see how it looks. Put a little paint on it. See how this looks. Oh yeah, nice big pile of dirt there. Oh yeah. Especially down in here. I got the battery changed out in the camera. Working on the driver's side motor mount. This one's set up a little different. Let's see if we can get these off. Come on. Yeah. Ooh, that's a bend right there. Good. Nope, it's welded on there. Might have to do that one with a wrench. Don't need that. Actually, leave that one in there. Get it in my hand now. Well, that's not gonna work, is it? Is that connected up there? Yeah. I'm going to take that off, aren't we? Might help. There we go. That should be the brake line, I believe, goes to the rear. Much better. This one's not quite as bad as the other one.